you may know, I got hit by a boat earlier this month, and as a result my wing got badly damaged, and the actual boat anchor on the front of the boat stuck through my wing. That's the boat there. It's like a game fishing boat. Anyway, I sent the wing away to a good mate of mine, and he's repaired it for me, and he's done a really good job. It's holding good shape, and he's kind of taped it up really well and stitched it, triple stitch. He actually had a lot of problems with it. The actual canopy was stretched from where the anchor pushed through the canopy, and so actually when he went to tape it up, it was actually, the material was actually overlapping one another, so then he had to trim it down and get it nice and flat and tight, and tape it up. Took him like 3 hours just to tape it up, and till he was happy enough to stitch it up. And yeah, so he put a lot of time into it, and I really appreciate the fantastic job he's done. You can see in the top of that video at the moment, there's some black lines, so that's where he stitched it up. And yes, really, he's done a really good job. It's got good shape, and made it really strong, like it'll never come undone. It's a real shame when you damage a wing like this. I got quite upset, you know, because like if you send it away to the shop to get repaired, it costs you $300 or $400, and then if you want to sell the wing down the track, you don't get much for it. Nobody wants to pay a lot of money for a damaged wing anyway, so yeah, really happy that I got it fixed off Sean, a good mate of mine. Yeah, the wind was a bit light today, and like I think I did the right thing. I came out on my wing ding, whereas all the other guys windsurfed, and a couple of big guys were struggling, and a couple of lightweights were going all right. But yeah, it was only about 15 knots, and yeah, the windsurfers just seemed to need more wind. Bit light there. Picking up speed now, but having a nice run now. Bit of a speed run. And then in this next clip, I've actually highlighted where the repair job was, and yeah, you can see the black lines there. He's done such a good job. I'm really happy with it. It's holding good shape, and yeah, it'll live to fight another day, that wing. And he's getting a good run. Richard's struggling. I think Bando had a 6.3 on or something. Oh, that's Nick. He's not that heavy either. He's getting down quite well. nice tack. Didn't fall off. Pied oyster catcher looking for something to eat. There's Vando's even struggling at the moment. Must be lighter Vando struggling. Keep going now. I think I made the right choice today going on the wingding. There was pretty good wind for the wingding, but as I said, the windsurfers were struggling a bit here and there. They really need a lot more wind to get going on. Richard's struggling again. This is Nick coming in. He's bought a tribal sail now, so. And he's on a couple of old JP boards he's bought. One of them's actually mine. I think it must be like 10 years old, and it's had about 4 owners. He got it pretty cheap, mate, so yeah. Nice drive, but yeah, not enough wind to keep going. Yeah, he's struggling. Slowly getting going. Anyway, I'm coming in. I've done 18 kilometres and yeah, it wasn't a bad session, and just coming in before the tide got too low.